Cancer TV gama mkhulu nkhazimulo. Ngenza amathongo. Ijuice yami la edlozini iyodwa noma si you2. Alright? 1. Ijuice yami la edlozini is to introduce you kwidlozi lakho. Ijuice yami phela ukuhlanganisa nalo. Ngiyangizwa. Ukuhlanganisa nabantu ade bekumemeza ungabezwa. Esibili ijuice ukuthi mina ngiprovide the right maternity ward for you to give birth kule nto ikhulelwe ngoba nonke enhlushwa imoya you are pregnant male and female nikhulelwe abanye benu ni overdue abanye benu nikhulela amawele ama-triplets ama-quadruplets you are spiritually pregnant. Ijuice yami nomakhosi labaye bala omakhosi phila omakhosi sanele omavula kuvaliwe omakhosi onqumalo bonke ukuthi nisize nomakhosi khuzwayo ukuthi nisize thina ukuthi nesini introduce kwidlozi lenu. All you need is introduction ngedlozi lakho. Why should you be introduced? The time phuma ngima wakho kwanqunya inkaba lapha i-umbilical cord. What happens on earth happens in the spirit on heaven. Ngabe nquma inkaba la. The spiritual cord is also severed. Yaqashuka nayo. That's why mase sithinde ngempande mkhulu nanka amakhehle ngiyabona evuka phansi uthulini amabutha phethe imkhonto mkhulu nazi idazi ziphuma emanzini ngiyazibona kayezilaphi ngaphambi ukuthi uthinte inkamba ijuice yethu na wonke omakhosi abalayo Cancer TV is to introduce you to abantu bakini, to introduce you, we introduce her to a nation yakini that you never knew but you knew and you forgot. So ngeke ngikwazi mina mawuza kumina ngi-introduce kuyilwane. Ngeke ukwazi uma amakhosi phila noma amakhosi khuzwayo a-introduce kuyigubhu. Ngeke ngikwazi cha angibazoni zakwethu abanegubhu. Angibazoni ngoba basuke ngakubizanga. Nayo kwakubo. Kodwa okwami kuhlukile. Ngendlela engenza ngayo. Njengoba nobona kuhlukile. Indlela abenza ngayo. Ijuice yami is to introduce you to yourself. Ijuice yami ukuthi ngihlanganise with yourself. Lo ngakazi umbone. Ngiyangizwa. My duty and ijuice yabona bonke amakhosi la ukuthi introduce to yourself, introduce you to your nation, introduce you to your destiny, introduce you to your family, but most of all, introduce you to God, not Jesus. I need to introduce you to the God of the Bible that you don't know. Or should I say the God of the Spirit on Amaz? There is no way ngayigibele leyo bhasi. Ngizokufanga impela nje kuJesu, whether uyakholwa noma ukholwa, I introduce you to him. I introduce you to uNkulunkulu. But first of all, fange introduce ngihlanganise nethongo lakho which you forgot. That's my duty on earth. We introduce her to your other self. Ngiyabonga.